Whether you're a digital nomad, a business jet setter, or just a wanderer at heart, packing smart can make or break your travel experience. Today, I'm diving into must-have gadgets that make frequent travel smoother, safer, and way more fun. Let's get into it. Number 1, a universal travel adapter. You don't want to be that person begging strangers at the airport for a charger. Grab a solid one with USB-C ports, fast charging, and compatibility in over 150 countries. You will remember this if you travel TP certain countries. Next up, noise-cancelling headphones. Crybabies on the plane? Noisy hotel neighbours? Not anymore. A good pair can make travel easier if they are comfortable. Lets you escape into your world, music, podcasts, or just sweet, sweet silence. A dead phone means no maps, no rideshare, no contact. My rule, always carry a high-capacity power bank. 10,000 mAh or more, slim design with PD support. It's a lifesaver when you're off the grid. Lost luggage is every traveller's nightmare. But with an AirTag or tile tracker, you'll know where your bag is, even when the airline doesn't. It's peace of mind you can track right from your phone. Stay hydrated and eco-friendly. I love a collapsible water bottle with a built-in filter. It saves space and lets me drink clean water anywhere. Without a doubt, they are my go-tos. Forget keys and combinations. A digital luggage lock that unlocks with my fingerprint. TSA approved, way more secure, and honestly just cool. Need reliable Wi-Fi? A travel router or portable hotspot for faraway places keeps you connected. Whether you're working remotely or just want to upload those beach pics. Jet lag is brutal, but a compact white noise machine or even an app helps me sleep through anything. Hotel hallways, street noise, you name it. No more repacking drama on the airport floor. An LED digital luggage scale tells me my bag's weight before I step out. Compact, accurate, essential. And for my fellow content creators, a compact drone or GoPro to capture the most amazing moments and takes your travel memories to a whole new level, from cliff dives to coral reefs. Whether it's convenience, comfort, or capturing the perfect sunset, the right gadget can totally transform your travel game. Which one can't you live without? Comment below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with your travel buddy, and don't forget to subscribe to WanderlustRon for more travel tips and tales from around the globe. And as always, see you in the next one.